You try on a new bra and the fit's not so perfect. So what do you start changing? Your band size? Your cup size? Both? Here's the answer. The first thing you should always do with a new bra is make sure you've put it on correctly. Lean forward, make sure your breast tissue is up and in the cups and that the tips of your breasts are in the apex of the cups. Then stand up. The number one bra fitting mistake women make is being in a cup size that's too small. So, assess your cup size first. Here's why. Changing your cup size is a small change, only 1 inch difference in your total body circumference. So while keeping the same band size, go up or down 1 cup size at a time to see if your fit is improving. And if you're going up in cup sizes, I always recommend going up until you find a cup that's too big. Here's an example. Our model is in a size 34D bra. Many may think her bra fits just fine. It doesn't. Underwires are on top of her breast tissue instead of in her breast crease. This is a full coverage bra, but on our model, it looks like a demi bra. Her cups are too small. So let's increase her cup size while keeping a 34 band. 34D2, 34D3, 34D4, and maybe 34D5. This bra looks too big. There's obvious puckering at the top of the cup. So now we have her cup size, D4 on a 34 band, but the back shows her band is way too large. The number 2 bra fitting mistake is being in a band size too big, which can also cause your straps to fall off your shoulders. A band size change is a 2-inch adjustment and also changes the placement of your bra straps on your shoulders. So going up a band size also moves your bra straps closer to your shoulders. Now when you change your band size, you need to understand sister sizing, and this is where many women get confused. This sister sizing chart explains what I mean. Changing a band size means you must also adjust your cup size to keep the same cup volume. Back to our model. We left her wearing a 34 band and a D4 cup size. Right cup size, but her band is too big. So we need to move up a cup size when moving down a band size to keep her cup volume the same. To keep her cup volume the same and reduce her band size, we move from a 34 D4 to a 32 D5. Cups fit, but band is still a little too big. Move to a 30 D6. Her cups fit and the band is properly tight. What a difference from her starting point. Our model looks terrific and her perfect bra size has much better support with a lifted and shapely bust line. You too can find your perfect bra size. Just remember to first find your cup size, then follow the sister sizing rules and find your band size.